throwing together supper. She's gonna have leftover manicotti. I got it right there in the nuke oven, getting it ready for her. And this is gonna be the last night of them turnip greens with corn dodgers in them. They're gonna be cat food after the night. That's cat food right there. I'm gonna eat that bowl right there, and that's cat food. She's eating leftover manicotti. Cheap, quick supper. I just opened that pepper sauce up and it smells good. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that pepper sauce. Homemade pepper sauce. I made that myself. I made some pickled pears right there and then some homemade pepper sauce. That pepper sauce goes on near about anything. I like it on turnips, collards, greens. We got it going. Homemade pepper sauce on my turnips.